So let's start system software. System software is the software that helps the computer system to run. Without the software, computer system cannot able to run. Just like operating system. You know that without operating system, our computer cannot able to do anything. System software helps the user to control and make the best use of computer hardware. System software controls all our computer hardwares. All the functions and properties are controlled by system software so that it makes the best use of computer hardware. System software is used to control, manage and work with the hardware of the computer or to convert instructions written in high level language to machine language. You know that system software controls our hardware of computer so that it can work easily. You all had seen the notification when you put the keyboard and mouse on the computer. It gives you a notification your hardware is ready to be used. So these all controlation can be done through system software, and it converts our instructions written in high level language to machine language. You know that you all give your instructions to the computer in high level language. The English language is known as high level language. Computer converts high level language. System software converts high level language to machine language. After the instructions are fed in high level language, it converts into machine language, then it processes it, and then it gives you output into a high level language. Understood? So system software works of system software is to convert the instructions into high level language into machine language.
As the humans and machines follow different languages, there has to be an interface with the core system. This interface is provided by the software. System software provide a platform for running application software. System software provides service to computer user and application programs. ये क्या प्रोवाइड करता है? एक प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड करता है जिस पे एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर रन करता है. सम एग्जांपल्स आर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, डिवाइस ड्राइवर, यूटिलिटी प्रोग्राम्स. Operating systems like Windows XP, Windows 2000, Windows 7, Windows Vista, Apple, Linux, these all are operating system. Device driver means printer driver, hard disk analyzer. Utility programs means antivirus. Antivirus, you know that what it does. Antivirus protects our computer from virus.
System software are the softwares that directly allows the user to interact with the hardware components of the computer system. These are the softwares which allows user to interact with the hardware components like CPU, mouse, keyboard. These all are hardware components, and system software provide an interface to interact with the computer hardware components. These are the types of system software. First is operating system. You know that operating system, without it computer cannot be able to do anything. Language processor, utility softwares, device driver and BIOS. Language softwares are the softwares which convert one language into another language. Interpreter, compiler, these all came into language processor. Utility software, antivirus. We will discuss all these in briefly manner.